Are you looking for the top 5 indoor hydroponics kits for growing fresh herbs? Before buying an indoor hydroponics kit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about hidden issues that can make or break your herb growing experience.
Product number 1, a Hope Garden 10-pod system. First up is the Hope Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Priced at $56.99, its sleek black design caught my eye immediately. If you want a convenient way to jumpstart your indoor herb garden, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out with this kit is its efficiency. The 10 pods allow you to grow various herbs simultaneously, and the built-in LED grow light ensures they get the right nutrients. The water reservoir keeps everything fresh, and you can see the water level at a glance, so you won't forget to top it up. This means you can easily grow healthy plants right in your kitchen without fussing with soil. However, some users mention that the light can be a bit too bright for sensitive plants. Now here's the thing, if you're growing herbs like basil or mint, they usually thrive with plenty of light, making this a non-issue for most. This is perfect for you if you want a beginner-friendly kit that fits nicely on your kitchen counter. Skip this if you need a larger setup for more extensive gardening. Now,
Product number 2, a Hope Garden 12 Pods Kit. Next on the list is another A Hope Garden product, this time the Hydroponics Growing System Kit with 12 pods, priced at $59.99. This one stands out with its sleek design and an LCD touch panel that makes operation super easy. If you're looking for an efficient way to grow your own veggies and herbs, give this a serious look. What makes this kit special is its adjustable height feature. You can grow plants up to 17 inches tall without worrying about light burn, which is perfect for herbs that like a bit of room to grow. Plus, the water tank holds 5 liters, ensuring roots get the hydration they need, which is essential for a successful indoor garden. However, some reviews pointed out the LCD panel might be a bit too sensitive, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get used to it, the features definitely outweigh this minor issue. This is ideal for tech-savvy gardeners who appreciate a modern touch. Skip this if you're looking for something more traditional and low-tech. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a quieter.
Product number 3, UR-Uke 8 Pods Indoor Garden. Next up is the UR-Uke Hydroponics Growing System Garden, offered at a budget-friendly price of $38.99. Its compact design is perfect for small spaces, making it really appealing. If you're short on space but still want fresh herbs, this is worth your attention. The standout feature here is the 24-watt LED light that promotes growth 5 times faster than traditional methods. It's adjustable, allowing you to customize the height as your plants grow. This means you can start with tiny seedlings and let them flourish without any hassle. Plus, the quiet water pump means you can keep it in your kitchen without annoying background noise. However, some users did mention that the assembly instructions were a bit unclear, which can be frustrating. But let's be real, once you figure it out, the growth results make it worth the minor hassle. This is perfect for beginners who want something straightforward and efficient. Skip if you prefer a more elaborate setup for a larger variety of plants. Now, if the assembly was a concern, the next product on the list offers a really user-friendly experience.
Product number 4, a Hope Garden Smart Herb Garden. Up next is another A Hope Garden offering, their Hydroponics Growing System with 10 pods for $57.99. This one is particularly interesting because of its smart temperature and humidity display. If you want to keep your herbs thriving with minimal effort, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this kit is the real-time monitoring feature. You can keep an eye on your plant's needs without guesswork, and the low water alarm ensures you always know when it's time to refill. It mimics sunlight to ensure plants grow efficiently. Plus, it has a sleek design that doesn't clutter up your kitchen counter. One downside some users mentioned was that the temperature and humidity controls took a bit to get used to, but I'll be honest with you, once you get the hang of it, it pays off with healthier plants. This is ideal for anyone who wants to take the guesswork out of indoor gardening. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward setup with fewer features.
Product number 5, UR-Uke 8 Pods Hydroponics Kit. Finally, we have the UR-Uke Hydroponics Growing System Indoor Garden, priced at just $38.99. This model is designed for those who want the simplest hydroponics experience. If you want to get growing without all the complications, this is a fantastic choice. The 24-watt LED grow light simulates sunlight, which is crucial for helping your herbs thrive. You can adjust the light up to 21 inches, ensuring that every plant gets the optimal amount of light. The water shortage indicator is a nice touch. You won't have to worry about forgetting to check the water level. Some reviews did say that the light timer can be a bit finicky, but really, once you set it up, it's a minor inconvenience compared to the joy of having fresh herbs at your fingertips. This is perfect for anyone new to gardening who wants a low-maintenance option. Skip if you're looking for something with advanced features. So that wraps up.
To recap, we've explored 5 great options for indoor hydroponics kits: the HydroPonics 10-pod system for efficient herb growing, the tech-savvy 12-pods kit, the budget-friendly URUK 8-pods garden, HydropOnic's smart monitoring version, and finally, URUK's easy-to-use setup. Each has unique benefits, so pick the one that best fits your lifestyle.